Oh yeah! Look at that golden, crispy chicken popcorn. Chef Yummy shows you how crunchy outside, tender inside. Let's go! Hello, welcome! Today we're making the most requested recipe, the chicken popcorn. Grab your apron, crowd pleaser every time. Ingredients check. Chicken, flour, cornstarch for mega crunch, eggs, spices, soy sauce. Everything ready? Awesome, let's cook. Step 1, marinate. Garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, soy sauce, hot sauce. Mix it up, rest 30 minutes. Overnight, even better. Coating time. 1 cup flour and ½ cup cornstarch, game changer. Whisk it fluffy. This magic dust gives that irresistible crunch. Dip in egg, roll in flour, then do it twice. Double coat for double crunch. Egg, flour, egg, flour. You'll thank me later. Heat oil to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Drop a tiny batter bit. If it sizzles, you're ready. Perfect golden chicken every time. Into the oil they go. Listen to that sizzle. Pure music. Fry in small batches, don't overcrowd. Each piece needs space to go beautifully golden. 4 to 5 minutes. Watch the magic. Pale, blonde, golden, then gorgeous, deep golden brown. That's perfect, don't rush, let the oil work. Out they come, look at that color. Drain on paper towels and season right away while hot. That's Chef Yummy's favorite moment. There is it, gorgeous chicken popcorn. Piping hot, dipping sauces ready. You made this 5-star dish in your kitchen. Moment of truth, oh my goodness. That crunch. Inside is so juicy and flavorful. Best chicken popcorn ever. Pro tips. Double coat for max crunch. Fry small batches. Marinate overnight. Air fryer, 200 degrees, 12 minutes. Endless perfection. Perfect for family gatherings, cocktail parties, game nights, or just snacking. This chicken popcorn steals the show. Quick recap. Marinate, coat, then double dip for that extra crispy crunch. Heat oil to 100 degrees, fry for 4 to 5 minutes, season and serve. 6 simple steps to the crunchiest chicken popcorn ever. Screenshot and save. That's the crispy chicken popcorn. Make it, comment, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Cook with love. Keep watching.